What's up, everybody? Sorry, this is a really low table. Today we're going to be going snowmobiling right after a snowstorm. It's supposed to snow more, but I think we got 5 inches last night and a bunch of ice. Like, it was raining and then in the middle of the night changed to snow. Yeah, we're going to go ride snowmobiles. There's a lot of snow and it's really pretty outside. Here, I'll show you guys. Here, let it focus. Look at that. Here. It goes up. I don't know if you can see on the GoPro, but you know, it slants. Yeah, last night, if you had me on Snapchat, you would have saw that. I said, I'm like, it's not gonna snow. Because people were predicting like 12 inches when this week is done, basically. But yeah, I really want to go ride. Oh yeah, I tried to film a snowmobiling video last weekend, but my camera kept shutting off because I shut it off because we weren't leaving yet. And then I think it got too cold and then didn't want to film. But yeah, we went snowmobiling in like 2 inches of snow. It was actually fun though. I did hit a couple ditches, or like jump a couple ditches, I should say. But yeah, we're gonna finish getting our gear on and then we're gonna go start up the sled. All right, we got all of our gear on. So I have to finish putting this glove on and then go out in the snow. Oh yeah, there's a good 5 inches there. Look at the four-wheeler. I actually rode it last night in the rainy snow. It's just terrible, honestly. You can barely tell what snowmobile's what. We got the Skidoo in the middle, of course the yellow. Then we got the 2000 Z. That's a 2000 Z 440 Arctic Cat, of course. 2000 Skidoo 500 MXZ. It's nothing too special. And then of course we got the 1993 Arctic Cat Jag Z 440. So the Z is basically the special version. Not special ed. But like, you know, look at the seat. It's just iced over it. Like, it was raining good last night. Oh, I'm not even joking. Yesterday, this thing started first pole. Not in the rain, of course. I wasn't gonna ride it in the rain. But if you may have seen on Snapchat, I was working on this thing because it was absolutely chugging gas. Figured out there was a gas leak, but yeah, I doubt it's gonna start first pole. 1, 2, that was a terrible pull. 3, this thing always starts third pull. Look at all that, isn't that beautiful? Oh no, our gauges are pretty full of snow. Give her some beans. Start up. Look at this. That's a good 5 inches of snow right there. Look, this is just iced over. Dang. Let her warm up a bit. But guys, look around. Oh, and I'm sorry in advance for any blurs that are on the camera. I'm sorry. I'll try to remember to wipe it every once in a while. pull over. There's so much snow on this thing. She's still a teeny bit cold, so we're gonna take it sort of light. That approach. I just almost fell off. So much ice. It's terrible. This ice is terrible, not the snow. This snow is amazing. Nothing but Carver City. Oh! We're gonna turn on the old hand warmers, melt some of that ice off. smells like gas. What the heck is happening? Running like kind of garbage. Here, take my helmet off. Kind of running garbage. I'm not gonna lie. It's not running very great. Oh, sorry. Yeah, she's stoved. I don't know how much more trail ride I'm gonna do. This is all what it's like. Here, sorry, we're gonna set the camera down. Alright, we're gonna try to start it. Attempt. She doesn't want anything to do with this. Oh no. This is not good. Oh, heck. Okay, guys. Uh-oh. Okay, we have to go quick. I'll be back soon. Okay, guys, I'm back. I grabbed a fuel hose because our fuel hose is leaking. Let me take that thing out. So, I got a new fuel hose because my dad had one on backup. Oh, it's dumping gas. Shoot. We just lost the screwdriver. And we just lost the scissors. Trying to clamp this thing. Stop leaking gas. Now, we either need to try to fix this line and risk it most likely breaking again. Or, what we do is we try to see if we can put a new line on. In the middle of the woods. I didn't tell you guys, I don't think, but in the ditches, this thing was running like crap. Come on, you stupid scissors. There's a tree that just fell. Sorry, guys. This video is going downhill. Literally, we're going downhill, and we got stuck. Basically, just from this tree. Oh, I'm so screwed. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got a better pair of scissors. At this point, I'm just glad this thing hasn't started on fire. Hey, it cut. Guys, we have gotten the fuel line on. I need to wash my hands off. Oh. God. Soaked in gas. If this thing were to start on fire, so would I right now. There's gas everywhere right now. So we're gonna put some snow where the gas went. So then it's less likely to start on fire. Well, I don't know where my gloves are. They're probably in the garage. I had to walk all the way to the garage. We're gonna try to throw our helmet on, try to start this thing. Now we need to see if this thing will maybe start, not catch on fire in the process. Keys on. Oh my gosh. just shut it off. I'm gonna open the hood back up in case it starts on fire. Try to go grab our tools, and yeah. Okay, but I mean, this thing works pretty good as a tool holder. So, so she's not spewing gas, and I don't think it's leaking much gas. Here, let's get some fresh snow. We're gonna show you where we got unstuck from. We were in this. That's where we were stuck in for a long time. And yeah, I have snow down my neck. Whew. Yeah, I just yeeted this thing down. I just went ring. I just let it go. Just trying to get out of here. Oh, there's so much snow down my neck. Oh yeah, the key's off. Let's just man up. Come on. Oh, the snow. So much snow down my neck. Oh no, it's in my sweatshirt. Oh gosh. Oh, now it's just in my butt. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Claire, for holding that. Yeah, all the tools. Okay. Honestly, kind of surprised we got out of there. I didn't have much hope. I just realized the way I parked, I have to drive through more trails. So, we're gonna try to clean my hands up and make a part 2 to this video. I don't like doing part 2s, but that's what we're gonna have to do. So see ya.